Okay, let's continue the course. In this lesson, we will try to use transactions, wallets, and other things related to it. Okay, let's jump to the code. So, if we go to the Web3.js org website, to the documentation section, we have the wallet here, and here we have some methods. So, wallet is an in-memory wallet that can hold multiple accounts. These accounts can be used when you send the transaction. Because Ethereum has two types of the transactions. First, it is GET transactions. These transactions are free. And second transaction, it's when you send, when you try to save something inside blockchain. In this case, you should pay some fee for this transaction. And this fee will be getting from your account. That's why you need to sign any of transaction to be sure you send this transaction. So what we can do with the wallet? First, we can add any account to the wallet. For this, I save our account which you already have and refill it. Web3 add account wallet add function. As you see, we can send a string or account here. For example, we have only private key. So we can send the private key inside the end function. In this case, it will create account inside and add this account to the wallet. Or we can do this manually. For example, Web3 add accounts private key to account method. Send the private key to this method. We will receive the account with type Web3 account and send this account to the, let's save this option but comment it and send this account to the wallet. And let's try to get it. In get function, we can use the address of our wallet, our account, or we can send the index. So if it is our first account, it will be 0 index. Let's try to use it. Account index 0. And let's try account with address, our address. Okay, what we have. So account was successfully added. And we have here account getting by index and account getting by address. It's the same account because it was the same private key. So clear. Let's try to clear our wallet. I think it's absolutely understandable what will happen, but we'll try. And try to get, for example, account with index 0. Let's make the log clear. Okay, as you see, we again add our account get by index, get by address, then clear. And after clear, we doesn't have anything because all our wallets was disappeared from the library. The next method is create. This method just generate one or more accounts in the wallet. This is example how to use it. Create 3 accounts and console log the result. And this account will be created and set it inside the wallet. Created inside the wallet. And let's try to do this to get this account by the index to see 0, 1, and 2 created inside the wallet. And result. What is the result? The result is the instance of the wallet. In this instance we have, so here we have created inside the wallet and this log, and it will return the wallet instance. Wallet instance, this is like array with accounts and also some methods and also mapping by addresses to get this account by addresses. So if we get this by index 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and we receive 0, 1, 2 accounts, and 3 is undefined because we just create the 3 accounts. But these accounts will be empty without Ethereum. We just create it and that's it. Let's go to the next method, decrypt. I think it will be easy to understand if we first encrypt something and then decrypt. Let's start to check what is encrypt and decrypt methods. Encrypt all wallet accounts to an array of encrypted key stored with your objects. What is it? So when it is not encrypted, we can get address and private key of each account. But if we want to protect it, to use some password, for example, so we can run the Web3 account wallet encrypt some password here, and we'll receive all our accounts encrypted. To make it simpler, I just want to see the first one. Encrypted. As you see, we doesn't have here the private key. Some encrypted text, and that's it, and address. To decrypt all accounts, you use the same, just another function, wallet.decrypt, set all to this first parameter all our encrypted accounts and our password, and receive decrypted again with private key and address. Remove. This method just remove the account from the wallet. You can use address or index. Web3 accounts wallet, remove. For example, let's remove with index 2. And then with index 2, and for example account to remove, get with index 1, and go send address here. Let's try to remove 0 and 1, 1 and 0, 0 and 1. Let's check. Okay, now we have only one account in the wallet. And get storage. This is just return the storage object from the browser. So we also can use this method only in the browser. Okay, let's check how to use this in the browser. For this, let's create simple HTML page. Okay, and I need the Web3.js CDN. Oh, that needs styles, anything here. Just add the Web3.js CDN and that's it. And add some script. Make an instance from the Web3.js. Make an async function. And run it. Okay. Web3 as accounts, wallet, create, let it be five accounts inside. And after creation, let's save it to the local storage. Save with password. Okay. So I change a little bit the script, add type application JavaScript, and let's try to console log our accounts before saving. Okay, we have accounts here. Save Web3 accounts wallet. Accounts wallet save. Okay, something happened. Let's check the application storage, local storage, and see some accounts here inside. This is like one variable with the JSON string inside. So now, if I change, just remove all these things and just console log the account in the wallet, it will be empty, no accounts. But we have some accounts in the local storage. How we can use it? We can load it. In this case, we can use Web3 accounts wallet load. And when we refresh the page, and if we have user password, we can load all accounts from the local storage to our Web3 as accounts wallet instance. Let's check. I just reload the page, and as you see, accounts here, it's the same accounts which we have inside the Web3.js wallet, and it's already decrypted because here we have encrypted, no private keys.